Okay, honey, I lost my net a while ago. I will be back. Okay, let's go back with our topic, my dear. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's have this one again, one more time. Let's have
Music.
Okay, music for 3 times. Honey, you say music, music, music. Ben, can you say it one more time? Music, music, music.
Music, music.
Very good. Okay, let's have this. All right, honey, what subjects do you have today? Okay, we have here the word do not. Can you say do not? It means don't. 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 Can you say it? Don't. Very good. Okay. Yes, I have I have a question for you again. Do you have music class today? Do you have music class today? Okay. Teachers, okay, listen to this one. Listen to this. Oh. Can you hear it? Do you hear it, honey? Ben? Ben, can you hear my voice? My dear, can you hear me? Okay, let's have this one, honey. Okay, my dear, you have to number this. My dear, Ben, let's do this activity, honey. This activity, my dear. Ben, let's do this activity. You have to number this. Okay, let's have the music. What number is this? What number is the music, honey? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? What is the number of the music? What number is the music? It's number
1.
1. Very good. It's number 1. How about the signs? How about the signs? What's the number of signs? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? Okay, it's 3.
3.
It is number 3. Okay, how about the math? Vietnamese, honey. How about the Vietnamese?
Math and 2.
Okay. Vietnamese? All right. Vietnamese is 2.
Math.
Yeah, math is
4.
4. Very good. Great job. Very good, honey. That is it. Okay. Now, let's have this one, honey. You are going to encircle, my dear. Do you know how to encircle? Honey, do you know how to encircle? Ben?
Bạn có biết cách bao vây không?
Do you know how to encircle? Okay, let's have this. What is this one, honey? Is it math or Vietnamese? What's this subject? Math. Very good. Correct. That is right. Okay. Okay, now let's have number 2. What subject is this? Is this music or Vietnamese? What subject is that?
Vietnamese.
Very
Viet-
good. It's Vietnamese. Great job. Okay. That's correct. Okay, let's have number 3. What is this? Is this science or math?
Science.
It's science? Is it science?
Us.
Okay, it's science. It is
That.
yes. This one is science. Number 4. How about number 4, honey? Is this music or dance? What is that? Music or dance?
Music. Music.
Okay, let's see. Yay! Very good. Very good, smart boy. Now, let's have this one. You say, I have. What subject is this? I have. What's that? What is that? I have. I have. What is this? What subject is that? I have math. Math. What subject is that? Uh-huh.
Music.
Okay. Are you sure it's music? It's math. Honey, this one is math. You say, I have math. I have math.
I have math.
Very good. I have math. Now, how about number 2? What is this?
I have Vietnamese.
Very good. I have Vietnamese. Next one, the 3rd one. What's this? I have. I have. What's that? What is that? Again?
Us.
Yes. I have signs. Okay, one more time. I have signs.
I have signs.
Yes. Okay, let's have the 4th one. Let's go to the 4th one, honey. Let's have that. What is that? I have.
I have.
Mule.
I have books.
Yes. I have music. One more time.
I have music.
Very good. Oh, no, it's don't, honey. So I say, I don't have music. Can you say that? I don't have music. Okay, let's go back here. Let's have the first one. Say, I have math. Honey, I have math. Honey, can you say, I have math?
I have math.
You say, I have Vietnamese.
I have Vietnamese.
Very good. Next, I have. What's that?
I have math.
This one, I have signs.
I have
Very good. Next one, I don't have music. I don't have music. Can you say that one again? Again, honey. I don't have music. Okay. Now, honey, you did so well. Ben, let's review. We just have seconds left, honey. So let's have our review, okay? Let's have the review, honey.
Maths.
Honey, what is this? What is this one, honey? Man? What subject is this? Man? What subject is this? This is? Math. What is this? Okay. Anyway, honey, we're going to continue this class next time, my dear, since we don't have time anymore. Thank you so much, honey, for your time, Ben. And we're going to meet each other again on Monday. Bye-bye. What's that? What is that? Bye-bye.